In 9.3 miles, take exit 44A on the right onto I-24 east toward Nashville.
You heard her. So I'm on my way driving to the university. I usually use the GPS on my phone because usually I was working as a visiting research professor at FACE, and I was teaching remotely. So for the symposium class I have to go occasionally. So today is the final day of my lectures on my book, on my health policy book, that talks about psychological influences that lead to the incarceration of women in Tennessee prisons. You may find the book down below in the link of my vlog, and if you want a signed copy, just message me on YouTube, or you may message me on my social media, Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, and I'll go ahead and make sure I autograph it for you before shipping it out once you buy it. I think it's about $44. I have the other books that I've written to there as well. So I am gonna be reasonably on time, so that is fabulous, despite the fact that I took a moment to go ahead and make the vlog for you all. I decided to leave the house early such that I wouldn't have to be rushing trying to make it because I'm running late. So this is my drive, and you can see the greenery as the trees and shrubs are coming to life in spring, and that is one of the beautiful things about spring. The opening of new life is so amazing and fabulous, don't you think? I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on moseying on, and we'll see you all later. So ciao, my loves. Talk to you soon. My loves, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind me, I am feeling groovy today. I am on my way. So today is the final symposium that I'm having at FACE University that is based on one of my books, Voices from the Inside, which you all can see down below with a link for a signed copy if you want one. So I'm getting ready to go for the lecture, and I decided to go ahead and do it in style. So I'm wearing these Azalea wang rhinestone boots. They're very comfortable. And this, I mean, you see this in the wrong ways, sort of the blanket throw. And of course I have the black sheer organza top, which you can see, and the cultural pearl necklace, cultural pearl earrings, diamond and enamel tiger ring, and of course that's my crystal headpiece that was made for me in France, and my crystal sunglasses. So this is my look for today. So what do you think? I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, I'm feeling the look. Okay, so do not mind me. So I wanted to do the showcasing for you all outside before I go for my lecture. It's actually getting warm, I guess because I'm dancing. Do not mind the birds, they are feeling fabulous. It is so glorious. Look at how the trees are blooming, the greens are coming out, and it's such a fabulous time. So that is what is going on. I love the greenery. And so I decided to do the vlog outside instead of inside. And so yeah, I'm styling this cape from my closet. I bought it before the pandemic who made it difficult for people to wear it out. And so a lot of the fashions that I'm showcasing nowadays are some of the fashions that I bought a while ago, when we couldn't travel or couldn't really go out, and I sort of restricted my going out. So now I have the opportunity to start showcasing a lot of them. And so that is what I'm doing, showcasing some of these fashions that I haven't had the opportunity to showcase. Since I bought them, I was on shopping sprees during COVID. So yeah, this is it. What do you think of this? Is it fabulous or what? Is it perfect for a lecture on my book? Is it giving you professor vibes? Fashionista professor vibes or not? I think so. So without further ado, let me go ahead and do a quick showcasing of the look before I head out to the university. So music, hit it.
She's the vibe with her, she's the queen. She's the queen, vibe game, she's the Dr. Chichi. She's doing it jaja. She's killing it sempe. She's killing it sempe. Make you go, 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 go. Fly away. Make you do, take a do. Dr. Chichi. Killing it sempe, killing it jaja, killing it Make you do, make you go, 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 go away. Nago tepe sing, nago tepe sing, nago tepe sing. Let's do your thing. Nago tepe sing, nago tepe sing. Let's do your thing. YouTube settle, YouTube settle. YouTube settle, YouTube settle. Passion settle, passion settle. She's on deco, she's on deco. Dr. Chichi, killing it sempe, killing it jaja. Killing it, Make you do, make you go, 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 go away. She's the vibe with her, she's the queen. She's the queen, vibe game, she's the Dr. Chichi. She's doing it jaja. She's killing it sempe. She's killing it sempe. Make you go, 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 go. Fly away. Make you do, take on. Dr. Chichi. Killing it sempe. Killing it jaja. Killing it Make you do, make you go, 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 go away. YouTube settle. YouTube settle, YouTube settle, YouTube settle. Fashion settle, fashion settle. She's on deco, she's on deco. Dr. Chichi, she's doing it jaja. She's killing it sempe, she's killing it sempe. Make you go, 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 go. Go away, make you go, Jakato.
Tempo Mix.
She's the vibe with her, she's the queen. She's the queen, vibe game, she's the Dr. shit, shit. Just doing it, jaja. Just killing it, sample. Just killing it, sample. Make you go, 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 go. Fly away. Make you jump, jump, jump. Take a jump, shit, shit. Killing it, sample. Killing it, jaja. Killing it, Make you jump, 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 jump. Take a jump. Make you go, 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 go away. No go take the scene. No go take the scene. No go take the scene. Let's do your thing. No go take the scene. No go take the scene. No go take the scene. Let's do your thing. You too settle. Hey, you too settle.
On this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you all. Hit the like button if you like the vlog, and comment down below about what you think of this. Is it fabulous for work, or what? Fabulous for a serious symposium on one of my books? Is it giving you the professor vibes? Because this is very, very conservative as far as I'm concerned. And this is the leather, is this, I think this is Akira, or is it a, yeah, I can't think of the designer. I'll try and put it down. It's Italian designer. I don't think it's Akira, but anyway, I hope you all enjoy the vlog. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy the vlog, and if you have not already subscribed, please do hit the subscribe icon here or here, depending on where it may be on your screen. Do follow me on my social media, on Instagram at fashionista.professor, and on Twitter at @ChesesCrypto at fashionista.professor, and on TikTok at Professor C. I hope you all are enjoying the warm weather. It's beginning to get warm and it's beginning to be fun, and my swimming pool is open, and I'm gonna start doing a lot of swimming vlogs and bikini vlogs, so you all stay tuned for it. So in the meantime, you all continue to take care, you all continue to find your happy place, and you all continue to stay safe. So kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Can